On your Apple iPhone, if you want to back up your data, there's iCloud. In iCloud, if you want to specifically turn on Photos iCloud backup, you can do that. In this video, we'll tell you how to do that. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings, above you can see your name or your phone's name. Tap on that. And here you can see the iCloud option. Tap on iCloud. When you tap on that, here you can see the Save to iCloud option. And here you can see Photos. It's turned off, so just tap on this. And here you can see one option, Sync this iPhone. You need to enable this. When you enable it, iCloud Photos backup will be enabled. But the important thing is that space should be there. Only then can you back up. Normally in the free version, only 5 GB will be there. If you're not having space, you need to upgrade. And the second method is this. Open Settings, and in Settings you can see the General option. Tap on General, and in General you can see the iPhone Storage option. Tap on iPhone Storage. When you tap on that, here you can see the Photos option. Tap on Photos. When you tap on that, here you can see iCloud Photos, and next to that you can see the Enable option. Tap on Enable. When you tap on that, you can see the option to enable iCloud Photos. Tap on this. When you tap on that, iCloud Photos backup will be enabled. But like said before, you need to have storage space. Only then can you enable this. So this way you can easily back up photos and videos in Photos to iCloud on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.